Good day, everyone. I'm Renee Althea, a student from De La Salle University, Manila, and right now I'm an intern at BuiltaMart under their software engineering department, firm with its own in-house development team. One of the initial projects we had was to develop a products page similar to the one used in the company's internal control center. So this version that I'm showing displays dummy data coming from a JSON file. I'm only using this for the introduction since my current access level does not allow me to retrieve images from the staging environment. This same data was also used during the early phases of our development. Without further ado, let me now switch to the final output that I presented, which uses actual data from their company-provided APIs. This activity allowed us to explore React and maintain components while building a more structured and maintainable user interface. One of the important lessons I learned from this project was how to split larger interfaces into smaller and manageable components to improve overall code readability and maintainability. So starting with the homepage, some of the maintain components used include the app shell, which combines a header and a sidebar navigation. Stack and groups are also used for organizing and grouping subcomponents, including the title and text for headers and textual content. So now moving to the products page. We also explore the use of cards in tables. So this basically allows the user to switch between the views when displaying the list of products. Other components such as buttons, badge, and input components are also from Mantine to ensure consistency and compatibility across the pages of the application. So this page also implements the filtering features to help users quickly search. Let's say I want to get all instances with Apple. To quickly search and narrow down the product results. So I think it would be also easier to check if it's in the table view. Then we could see SKU having GA right there. So it filters, there's no available barcode for now, but basically it filters the results based on all the provided filter values by the user. And then we can clear it and it shows the default list. In addition, a pagination functionality is included at the bottom of the page. By default, only 20 items are displayed, but users can increase the number of visible items based on their selected limit. And then we can load more. Again, it will load depending on the selected limit. This shows now 100 products. Now, to retrieve the product data, we used custom React hooks to handle data fetching and querying. We have one hook for retrieving all of these products and another for fetching a specific product for here. These hooks communicate with the backend through GraphQL APIs, allowing the application to fetch actual product information from the staging environment efficiently. So right here, we could see that it's using GraphQL and it responds with the data that is being reflected in our user interface. As for the filtering functionality, we are introduced to Zustand for state management. Zustand basically allows us to store and manage filter values globally, which makes it easier to share the filter states across components without excessive passing. So overall, this project helped me gain experience in component-based development, state management, data fetching, and integrating the front-end application with GraphQL APIs. Thank you very much, and that concludes my demonstration.